So we are going down south. We are going to Marquesa Hotel in Key West, Florida.
This hotel is historic, beautiful. It's so cute. The exterior is great, but some of the rooms inside do need our help. So that's what we're gonna take a look at today.
Let's take a look at what it looks like currently. Overall, it does bring in that like beachy but historic feel. It's got a cute, very kind of like sea blue exterior.
It is very Key West.
Yeah, it's kind of like a hotel cafe event space here. So we are going to focus on the boardroom event kind of space area that they have right now that is lacking the personality that it already has with its coastal charm.
So we wanted to make sure that this room stayed versatile with the design. So you could possibly host a dinner here, a meeting, maybe even a wedding. So the room's just like very dark and very blah. There's nothing to it. So right away, we wanted to dress up that ceiling and we added this beautiful sort of chocolate brown by Benjamin Moore called Silhouette. And it's just gonna bring that beautiful richness to the ceiling and also differentiate this room a little bit more from the other spaces in the hotel.
Because we're gonna add in a lot more light elements. The focal point will be the ceiling because it's kind of gonna stand out a lot and be that rich feel with a lot of the coastal light elements as well. So to add on to the ceiling, we're also going to opt to wallpaper all of the surrounding walls with this beautiful coastal feeling wallpaper. It's got floor to ceiling lines of blues, beiges, whites, and just brings in that beachy feel.
These kinds of rooms absolutely needs a beautiful statement light fixture. And so we went with a nice chandelier that's very long to cover the whole table in this beautiful rattan.
So because it is going to be like an event space, you need a long, versatile table. So that's exactly what we went with. It is commercial built, so it's very sturdy to hold many people. And then surrounding that, we're gonna opt to do new chairs, get rid of those kind of leather looking, very office-y chairs, and go with the black and beige rattan style, again on brand with that beach feel.
To bring in some warmth and elegance, we're gonna do a beautiful rug on the floor. Again, a very large one to cover the table and the chairs when they're pulled out. I think people miss that a lot. They think that just covering the table is enough, but you want the chairs to be able to be pulled out and still be on the rug. So make sure you're thinking about that when choosing your size for this kind of styling. I think people might lean away from a rug normally just because out of fear of spills and stuff, but you shouldn't. Just get something durable and washable. Even something exterior grade works well, and you can still have that beautiful design element while still being logical about the space.
And then to finish off the space, because there's very limited furniture in a space like this, you don't want multiple furniture because you want enough room that people can get around. But a big decor piece that will finalize everything is floor to ceiling curtains. So that acts as a decor element. We went with a beautiful gray because you've got a lot of lighter colors like blues, beiges, whites already. So the gray will kind of pull that out and really ties everything together nicely.
So here's what the space would look like if they implemented all of our design decisions. This one was a big difference.
Away from the corporate feel and more of like that versatile coastal charm that we wanted to go for. So if you loved any of these items, you can shop any of them in the link below, and be sure to send us any of the spaces that you guys want to see getting a redesign. We don't just do hotels and Airbnbs. We also do a lot of office spaces, cafes, and restaurants,
Lawns even.
Yes, send us a message of the next place that you want us to go.
Subscribe to our channel, please, guys. Thank you so much for watching all of our videos, and we'll see you in the next one.